Ancient people saw them as messages from the gods, as supernatural winds that blew from the realm of spirits. Modern science has linked these polar light shows, called auroras, to vast waves of electrified gas hurled in our direction by the sun. Today, researchers from a whole new generation see this dynamic substance, plasma, as an energy source that may one day fuel humanity's expansion into space. Dr. Ben Longmier and his team from the University of Michigan have designed a whole new type of rocket engine that promises a faster and more efficient way to get around in space. The idea is that once in space, his rockets use electricity to create a weak force, which over time can accelerate them to very high speeds. That's just the beginning. Companies are developing orbital habitats and space planes, laying the groundwork for missions geared to mining, exploration, and even tourism. What can we learn, and how far can we go? By tapping into the strange and elusive fourth state of matter.